So hello and welcome. There is only one thing that can help you scale up your business on top of all strategies and methods you are about to learn on your journey. And this is one thing is consistency. So in the last few days I was sick again and I couldn't stop to be consistent in my business, to do my tasks every day, and boom, I got results again. And this is when I follow the strategies and the methods brought by OLSP system, with the commission generator link. So you get all you need, you get everything. You get live webinars, live videos, live trainings where you are gonna learn all the strategies and methods you need to implement in your business. And by the way, I invite you on Thursday and next Thursday, 10th of February, where you're gonna learn one method, one clever method that's not yet discovered and capable of making $2,500 a week. $2,500 a week. And it is brought by someone who is very known in this industry and who is a New York Times bestseller and featured in so many channels like Fox, CBA, People Magazine, and a lot of other channels. So be there, guys. Don't miss out. This is on Thursday, 10th of February at 7 p.m. UK time. Nice to see you there, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.